Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Freelancers Union payment setup step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Freelancers Union website. Click on the Join button located at the top of the home page. Fill out the required information in the registration form. Ensure that you provide a valid email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. Fill in your personal details, such as your name and address. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Payment Setup option in your account settings. Click on the Payment Setup link to begin the process. Select the payment method that suits you best. If choosing direct deposit, enter your bank account information. Make sure your bank details are correct to avoid any issues. Alternatively, you can select payment by check if preferred. Fill out any additional required fields related to your payment method. Review your payment setup details carefully. After verifying all information, click on the Save button to finalize your setup. You will receive a confirmation message once your payment settings are updated. Return to the dashboard to view your payment status. Congratulations, you've successfully registered and set up your payment with Freelancers Union. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.